Hi, good morning everybody. In last class we discussed something. Did you study everything? Okay. You submitted your notebook. Very good. Did you study that question answers? I will conduct one test paper. Okay. Yes. First chapter what are included? Anybody? Can you say what are included in our first chapter? We studied our earth. What is the shape of earth? Round or spherical shape. Which shape? Round or spherical. With the help of globe, we could study everything. But in all time, that is not possible. What? Globe. Carrying globe. Bigger size, round shape. How can we keep always carrying? That is easy? No. That's very, very difficult. On that occasion, we want to substitute another one. Can you say what is that? Yes, map. What is that? Map. But today we discuss our new chapter, Mapping the Earth. What is our second chapter name? Mapping the Earth. Okay, chapter 2, Mapping the Earth. Have you heard about map? Oh, what type of map? Can you say what are the different types of map? Anybody? Can you say different types of map? Did you see maps book? What is called? So many map included in one book. What is that? Atlas. We call atlas. Then different types of map. No idea? Okay, all of you look at textbook. We will discuss later. What are the maps included? What are the different types of maps? We moving on our topic, mapping the earth. Here is some questions. All of you look there. There is one box. There included some questions. Fill in the blanks. A book of map is called and dash. A book of map is called. We already discussed. What is that? Atlas. A book of map is called a atlas. What is the second question? In a map, water bodies are colored. In a globe, water bodies are colored. Which color? We already studied. Which color? Blue. The same thing here is water bodies are colored blue. What is that? Blue color. Sailors use dash to guide them on their way. Sailor. What is the meaning of sailor? സമുദ്രയാത്ര ചെയ്യുന്നവർ നാവികർ അല്ലേ? They use one thing. For what? To guide them on their way. Can you say what is the answer? Compass. What is that? Compass. But here included 3 questions. First question's answer, atlas. What is the first question's answer? Atlas. The second one, blue. What is the third one? Compass. All of you want to write these answers in your textbook. When you write anything in your textbook, you use only pencil. Is it clear? If you write anything in your textbook, I mean fill in the blanks, then tick the correct option, true or false. On that time, you use only pencil. Otherwise, you make a lot of mistake. There is no neatness. That is affected our subject. Okay. Yes. Did you finish? We have learned that a globe is a miniature model of our earth, but it is not possible to carry a globe everywhere as it occupies space and is not handy to use. For easy use, we carry maps. We have learned that a globe is a miniature of. What do you meaning the miniature? Miniature means a small model of the earth. Globe is a small model of the earth, but it is not possible to carry a globe everywhere. Is it possible to carry a globe everywhere? No, that's not. As it occupies space. What is the reason? നമുക്ക് ബാഗിൽ സൂക്ഷിക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? No, to need more space. And it's not handy to use. Okay? If you want to carry the globe, we have some problem. Okay? For easy use, we carry maps. For easy use, on that occasion, we use maps. But we used map. Map. A map is a drawing of the whole or a part of the earth's surface on a flat sheet. A map is a drawing of the whole or a part of the earth's surface on a flat space. What do you mean by flat space? Plain space. പരന്ന സ്ഥലത്ത്. We want to draw whole thing, everything. Okay. When you look world map, there is included everything. But in case of a country's map, for example, our India's map, there included only one country. Okay. Listen. A map is drawing of the whole or a part of the earth's surface. Whole means completely, or a part of the earth's surface on a flat sheet. That is called a map. All of you want to underline this line. A map is a drawing of the whole or a part of the earth's surface on a flat sheet. Maps are easy to refer and carry. Maps are easy to refer to and carry. It is easy to refer. If we want to find any important places, we can easily find that area. But in case of globe, there is some difficulty. Okay, listen. What is the merit? Merit of map? Maps are easy to refer and carry. They can be folded or rolled. What is the another speciality? It can be folded or rolled. What do you mean by folded? നമുക്കതിനെ ഇങ്ങനെ ചുരുട്ടി മടക്കിക്കൊണ്ടാവും. Folded or rolled. Okay. Then they can also be included in books. It also included in books. A book of map is called an atlas. A book of map is called an atlas. Okay. Listen. Now we discussed about map. Map's speciality is drawing whole or a part of the earth's surface on a flat sheet. Then another speciality, maps are easy to refer and carry. What is the next speciality? They can be folded and rolled. They can be folded and rolled. നമുക്ക് മടക്കാനും ചുരുട്ടാനും കഴിയും. They can also be included in books. A book of map is called an atlas. Underline that. Maps included in a book. That book is called an atlas. Okay. Then kinds of map. First topic map that completed. The second one is the kinds of map. What are the different types of maps? Kinds of maps. Different kinds of maps give different information. That's why here is different types of map. Okay, can you say what are the different types of map? Yes, political map, physical map, thematic map. What are the three types of map? Political map, physical map, thematic map. So then we want to discuss what are the types of map or kinds of map. The first one is the political map. Which is the first one? Political map. Can you say the second one? Physical map. The second one is physical map. What is the third one? Thematic map. What is it? Thematic map. Political map, physical map, thematic map. Okay, kinds of maps. Different kinds of maps give us different kinds of information. We get different kinds of information from these maps. First one, political maps. Political maps show boundaries between states, cities and countries. Political map shows boundaries between states, cities and countries. Boundary between states, districts, countries. Boundaries between district, state, countries. Okay, states, district or cities. Okay, states, district or here is cities. Okay, states, cities and also countries. Political map. But you know what is political map? Here is included political map. Can you see? Okay, can you see political map? Yeah. Then when you look here the political map, you can see here is a different colors used that indicate different states. Okay, the political map shows the boundaries between states, cities and countries. Okay, boundaries between state, cities and countries. You want to underline that line. Then physical map show the physical features of a place such as mountain, hills, rivers, seas, plains and plateaus. Physical map show the physical features. Political map shows the boundaries. Okay, what are the boundaries? That means here is a different state. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, then Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, that type of. We can easily identify with the help of a political map. Then we want to know about the important cities. With the help of political map we can see the cities. Then we can identify the countries with the help of a political map. Then physical map shows the physical features of a place. What are included the physical features? Mountain, hills, rivers, seas, plains and plateaus. Mountain, then hills. What do you mean by mountain? Parvadangal. Then hills, kunnugal. Then rivers, nadigal. Then seas. What do you mean by sea? Pulagal. Then plains, samadalangal. Then plateau. Plateau means pidabhumi. Okay, but what are included mainly in the physical map? Mountains. Yes, physical map included mountain, then hill, plains, then rivers, seas, and also included plateau. Okay, so what are included physical map? Physical map included mountains, then hills, rivers, seas, plain and plateau. So what are included the political map, or what is the use of political map? Yes, we can find the boundaries of or show the boundaries between states, cities and countries. Show the boundaries between states, cities and countries. Then physical map show the physical features of a place such as mountain, hill, then rivers, seas, plains and plateaus. Okay, but here we discussed two types of map. That is the political map and physical map. Remaining one, here is staying, remaining one. Who is that? Yeah, thematic map. What is that? Thematic map. Can you say thematic map? Ridwan, read these three maps name. What are the three maps? Political map, physical map, thematic map. Anas, can you read it? Good. Okay. Thematic map show the particular features of a region such as climate, different types of soil, mineral deposit, natural vegetation, industries, places of tourist interest and so on. Thematic map there is included themes. Thematic map there is included some themes. What are the themes? A region's climate, then different types of soil. What type of soil is that area? Then mineral deposit. Okay, what are the minerals deposited in the different area? Then natural vegetation and also industries, places of tourist interest and so on. The physical map shows, the physical map shows mountains, hills, rivers, seas, plains and plateau. Okay, here is included the physical map. Can you see physical map? Okay, here is included everything, different colors used. Okay, what area? The mountain area, hilly area, rivers, that type of included. Then we discussed thematical map. Thematical map there is included some theme. Thematical map included there is some themes. Okay, what are included in the thematical map? There is particular features. What do you mean by features? The characteristics or specialities. What are the specialities? എന്തൊക്കെ സവിശേഷതകളാണ്? What are the speciality? A region such as climate. ഏത് തരം കാലാവസ്ഥയാണെന്നുള്ളത്. A region, which type of climate is there? Then different types of soil. What are the soil? ഏത് തരം മണ്ണാണ്? We know that different types of soil. Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, yellow soil, laterite soil, arid soil. So many soils. You don't worry about that. Later you will study. When you reach senior classes, you will study more details about the types of soil. But you don't worry about that now. Come to the topic. Here we want to know about which soil is there. With the help of which map? Thematic map, we can identify which soil is there. Then what is the next one? Crops. What are the items cultivated? Crops, wheat, rice. നിങ്ങൾ എന്തൊക്കെ വിളകളാണ് കൃഷി ചെയ്യുന്ന ഐറ്റംസ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്നുള്ളത്? Wheat, rice, barley, then another things. Okay, that. Then mineral deposit. ഏതൊക്കെ മിനറൽസ് ആണ്? മിനറൽസ്, അയൺ ഓർ കോൺസെൻട്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഏരിയ, ഗോൾഡ് കോൺസെൻട്രേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഏരിയ, ദെൻ കോൾ, പെട്രോളിയം, ദാറ്റ് ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ്, ദെൻ ദീസ് ഓർ മൈനിങ് ഏരിയ, അല്ലേ, ഖനനം ചെയ്ത് കുഴിച്ചെടുക്കാനുള്ളത്, ബോക്സൈറ്റ്, ദാറ്റ് ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഐറ്റംസ് വി വാണ്ട് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദാറ്റ് ഏരിയ. വിച്ച് ഏരിയ ഇൻക്ലൂഡഡ്? ദ മൈനിങ് ഏരിയ, ഖനനം ചെയ്യണ ഏരിയ. ഓക്കെ, കുഴിച്ചെടുത്ത് ഇത്തരം ഐറ്റംസ് ഫൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യണത്. ദാറ്റ് മിനറൽ ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റ്. ദെൻ നാച്ചുറൽ വെജിറ്റേഷൻ, അല്ലേ, നാച്ചുറൽ വെജിറ്റേഷൻ എവിടെയാണ് കൂടുതലായിട്ട്? ഫോറസ്റ്റ് ഏരിയ ഉള്ളത്, പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ധാരാളമായിട്ടുള്ളത്, പ്രകൃതിയായിട്ടുള്ളത്, നാച്ചുറൽ വെജിറ്റേഷൻ, പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്, ഫോറസ്റ്റ് ഏരിയ. വി വാണ്ട് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദ ഫോറസ്റ്റ് ഏരിയ, അല്ലേ. ദെൻ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രീസ്, മോർ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രീസ്. ഇൻഡസ്ട്രീസ് മീൻസ് വ്യവസായശാലകൾ, അല്ലേ, ഓരോരോ കമ്പനികളൊക്കെ. ദാറ്റ് ഇൻഡസ്ട്രീസ് സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് വേർ. ദെൻ പ്ലേസസ് ഓഫ് ടൂറിസ്റ്റ് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ്. എവിടെയാണ് ടൂറിസ്റ്റ്, അല്ലേ, വിനോദസഞ്ചാരികൾക്ക് വരാൻ താല്പര്യമുള്ള പ്ലേസസ്, ടൂറിസ്റ്റ് പ്ലേസസ്. വി വാണ്ട് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദീസ് പ്ലേസസ്. ദ നാച്ചുറൽ വെജിറ്റേഷൻ, ടൂറിസ്റ്റ് പ്ലേസസ്, മിനറൽ ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റ്, എ പെർട്ടിക്കുലർ ക്ലൈമറ്റ്, and also the different types of soil we want to find with the help of thematic map. Is it clear? Okay, but today we discussed 3 types of map. What are the 3 types of map? Political map, physical map, thematic map. Okay, all of you want to underline political map, then physical map also want to underline, thematic map also want to underline. Is it clear? Then can you identify which is the political map, which is the physical map, which is the thematic map? What is the speciality of maps? Did you understand everything? Okay, I think you understood everything. Am I right? Okay. Today we discussed mapping the earth. Mapping the earth, here is we discussed what is map or what is the use of map. What is map? Map is drawing of the whole or a part of the earth surface. Drawing or a whole or part of the earth surface on a flat sheet. That is called map. Then what is the speciality of map? Can you say what is the speciality of maps? Maps are easy to refer and carry. Maps are easy to refer to and carry. Easy to refer to and carry. Then another speciality, they can be folded or rolled. They can be folded or rolled. They can also be included in books. Then another important speciality, the maps included in books. That books is called, what is that? Atlas. What is that? Atlas. A book of map is called an atlas. A book of map is called an atlas. Then we discussed what are the kinds of maps, what are the types of map, what are the classification of maps, what are the different types of maps, what are the kinds of maps? Political map, physical map, thematic map. What is the speciality of political maps? It shows the boundaries. Boundaries of what? Boundaries of states, boundaries of cities, boundaries of countries. Then physical map. Physical map show the physical features of a place such as mountains, hills, rivers, seas, plains and plateaus. Then lastly we discuss thematic map. Thematic map included themes like it shows a particular features of a region. Region's speciality. Region means an area. ഒരു പ്രത്യേക സ്ഥലത്തിൻ്റെ speciality. A region such as climate, then different types of soil, crops, natural vegetation, industries, places of tourist interest and so on. These types of included here. Okay. Today we underlined something. Okay. That you want to write 5 times in your rough book. All of you have rough book? Okay. How many times you want to write? 5 times you want to write these sentences. Okay. You underlined something. First map, that is underlined. Then political map. Not only that word, explanation also. Then physical map, thematic map. Okay. This atlas also. Okay. I think 5 sentences. These 5 sentences you want to write 5 times. Where? You want to write in your rough book. Okay. Not in your social book. That is not allowed. Social notebook you use for only writing the question answers, fill in the blanks, match the following, that. But your rough book want to use writing this. Okay. And also one thing, here is some dictation words also. What are the dictation words? Map, atlas, kinds of map, political map, physical map, thematic map. That only. Okay, that also want to study. Writing and reading is very, very important. Without reading, here is no improvement. Regular reading, regular writing, that is the very, very important factor in case of study. Everyone want to follow this method. Otherwise, you have no improvement. I think everybody follow this method. Okay. Thank you.